Welcome. Recently, Sebi has brought new rules and guidelines for gold ETF and silver ETFs that will affect our portfolios. And we will find the real-time examples of the gold ETF and silver ETF price variations. Also, MCX silver, MCX gold chart levels. Why suddenly I am putting this MCX silver, MCX gold? Because hereafter all the gold and silver ETFs might follow these levels only, MCX and MCX gold silver ETFs. So now we will come to know previously all the gold and silver ETFs and all they were following the benchmarks of London Bullion Associations. So that benchmark only they were following. Some ETFs were not following different kind of benchmarks they were following. So there are a lot of price variation which you would have observed also in ETF. Same ETF, some ETF will be 3% up, some ETFs will be 5-10% up. Lot of price variation that hereafter will not happen. For that only SEBI has taken some measures. What we will come to know. So hereafter London Bullion Association metal price will not be the benchmark. Only Indian domestic spot prices like MCX, let it be whatever exchange. Mostly MCX exchange is having doing commodity exchanges futures. So that will be taken as a reference. MCX silver and MCX gold prices futures will be taken as a reference for silver and gold ETFs. So the price of silver ETF and gold ETF will vary based on the MCX gold and MCX silver futures, as I told. So SEBI has proposed this from April 1. This will be effective. Why it is better? Because it will be more accurate. So there won't be any variation. The real price of the gold will be established and consistency. So the source of the benchmark will be same. It will not be different. So confusion will not arise. What is the confusion? Within a minute I will explain you with real-time examples. Transparency will be there. So it is from Indian regulator, Indian exchanges. Their official and more monitoring supervision will be by the government. But it will not happen suddenly. Our investment will not change suddenly. Only the price tag in our statement will be more accurate. So as I told from April 1, this will be used. So you can see the real-time example. We can see these are all the what on. We can see the date also. 22nd, 9:26 a.m. Comex gold what percentage change? Some 0.76, 7%. Silver, Comex silver, 0.5% up. But if you see gold, as I told, 1% of Comex gold, but gold BS it was minus 6.53%. Tata gold 7.35% minus. Gold case 6.5. So within the gold ETFs, there is some 1% difference. And if you see the silver ETFs and all, silver, Comex silver on the day at that time was 0.5% up. But if you see the Tata silver ETF, 10.6% down. Silver case 8.66. Silver BS 8.66. So some variation there also. Again, you can see when the price is very up, going up. Gold BS you can see 3.38, 3.64. Gold case 3.47. Mostly in gold ETF, there won't be too much of price difference. Only problem is in the silver ETF, you can see now 3.47 gold case. Tata silver, you can see 9%, almost 6% variation. Silver case 7%, so 4 to 5% variation. Only two, sorry, this was a gold case actually. Tata silver, between Tata silver, silver case, silver BS, some 2-3%. Sometimes it will be more also. Now we can see Tata silver 18% down, but silver case 11%, 7% difference. So to what make it proper, SEBI has bought these kind of changes. Now you can understand this. People who don't follow regularly the silver ETFs, now we can understand why SEBI has bought these kind of corrective measures. Now we can see since MCX gold and MCX silver will be brought in limelight as a benchmark, it is very important hereafter you have to track MCX gold and MCX silver prices also. Previously, I will also not follow those MCX, but now I have to track those prices also. So now what we will see gold futures MCX. So now you can see the chart. It will be swing trading channel. Now you can see presently MCX silver. Now Iran war has happened yesterday, Saturday. So gold prices are expected to gap up. Presently, it has just given a breakout above my falling trend line. So this will be a resistance it has crossed on Friday. Above there is a stop loss hunting line. This is MCX gold. And again there is a gap line at 1.63 lakhs. So this will be the middle end of the channel. What is channel? What is swing trend channel? At the end of the video, I will explain. And there is a mini gap line at 1.69 lakhs. So if another mini gap line is there at 1,76,294. So if it gives a gap lines, most probably what will happen? It will fill the gap. Either it will fall down or again it will go up. So the next target most probably will be the upside of the channel. This is the upside channel. Most probably if it gives a breakout above my middle end of the channel, it will go and touch this level. Let us see. So now what will be the support? These are all what? Gaps. Okay. And what will be the support? Below, if you see, there is a blue line. It should not fall. MCX gold should not fall below the blue line. Then it will be a reversal. Taken as a reversal. Again, there is a gap line support. And again, there is a multi-week support. Again, there is a stop loss hunting line. What is stop loss hunting line? At the end of the video, you will come to know. This is a multi-month support line. Below, there is a multi-day support line. Bottom end of the channel. This is bottom end of the channel. You can see. Now, since Iran war has broken out, it should give a breakout and it should again go to all-time high. MCX gold futures. Now we will see silver, MCX silver futures. You can see now presently there is a rising trend line. You can see. So it is very near to the stop loss hunting line, silver, MCX futures. Now we can see the supports will be low. It should not reverse below my reversal blue line. Again below there is a multi-week support line, below two stop loss hunting line. If two stop loss hunting lines are nearby, it will consolidate there and eat your stop losses. So you have to be very careful. Again a stop loss hunting line. Below there is a multi-year or multi-month support line. Again there is bottom end of the channel. There is a support. Again below there is a multi-day support, multi-week gap lines. So this is the bottom end of the channel. You can see bottom end of the channel. So now what will happen? Due to Iran war, it might give a breakout tomorrow on Monday. First resistance will be there. I believe it will take out that resistance with a gap up. And this is the middle end of the channel. And stop loss hunting line is there. If it gives a breakout above stop loss hunting line, then the next target will be around 3.4 lakhs. MCX silver. So this is the resistance line. Another resistance line is there at 3.64 lakhs. Another resistance line is there at 4 lakhs. And this will be the top end of the channel. This will be the top end of the channel. Probably it may go and touch the top end of the channel. If it gives a big candle, large volume breakout, this will be the all-time high, 4.22 lakhs. So due to Iran war, there's a chance good breakout. But this video mainly is given hereafter silver gold ETFs. You cannot expect wild movements. So it will follow the silver, that too with price difference. Now I will tell what is its stop loss hunting line and all. So this is a channel trading. You can just read out. This is the channel. Bottom will be the swing bottom. Top will be at swing bottom. You have to enter. Swing top you have to exit. Above the middle end of the channel, premium zone. Below the middle end of the channel, it is a discount zone. Only at discount zone you have to enter. Premium zone you have to look for exit with profit. So step by step I have given. You can go through. And this is the stop loss hunting line. There you have to be very careful because big players will trigger your stop losses there and make your money loss. Okay, you have to be very careful. Traps will be there that you can go through. So you have to keep wherever my black color stop loss hunting line is there. You have to be very careful there. You have to keep stop loss hunting lines, your stop losses very wide at those locations. If you like my analysis and video, please subscribe and put a like and share. I believe definitely these levels will be very useful for you. Again, definitely will come and refer. I know at that time also you can put a like and subscribe without fail. Thank you. I am Ganesh Babu, GB Investor Zone.